Yo, it's your boy the Android Doctor back again with another video. So I'm here with Honor Magic 5 Lite, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change the themes, also the wallpapers, the always on displays, and also the icons. Okay, so to do this, just pull down the notifications and go into the settings and go to where it says home screen and wallpaper, and here you will see the themes, always on displays, wallpapers, icons, and also the magazine unlock. Okay, so here at the top we have the themes. So these are all the preset themes that come pre-installed on the phone. So there's 8 altogether. So the first one is the default one that comes applied to the phone. It's called Vivid Lives. Okay, so here we have Ripple. And Jadid Glass. Convoluted. And all these themes, guys, are high quality themes. Ruby Glass. Blend. Rhythm. And last but not least, Salmon Pink. Okay, so some of these themes, when you apply them, it will change the color of the clock. So as you can see at the moment, my clock is white. But if I was to apply this theme, Rhythm, which is my favorite, the clock will then turn black. As you can see, and it just gives the whole phone a new look. Okay, so let's go ahead and apply another theme. Okay, so let's apply Blend. Let's have a look at one last theme. So Ruby Glass, let's take a look at that. Okay, so now if you want to change the always on display, so let's have a look at the default always on display. So this is the default always on display. So if you want to change it, just go to always on display. And in here, you will see loads of different always on displays that you can apply. So let's go ahead and apply this one. I made a separate video on the always on display, guys, so I'm not going to go into depth with it. So if you want to see more about the always on display, you can check out that video. I will leave it in the description down below, so you can go check it out. Let's try one more. Okay. So beneath always on display, we have wallpaper. And here are all the pre-installed wallpapers. And these wallpapers are pretty much, they've been taken from the themes, as you can tell. So this is the Rhythm wallpaper, as you can tell. This is the pre-installed wallpaper from the main theme. Also, this gallery and you can choose a picture from your gallery and you can blur it down here. There's a little slider, so you can add blur to the wallpaper. You can also make it scrollable and then apply it to either the lock screen, home screen, or both. So as you can see, the wallpaper is now scrollable and it's been applied to both the lock screen and the home screen. And then let me just go back to the main wallpaper. Okay, so here we have the icons, and there's some options here to change the icons. So as you can see, the icons have been changed. And then there's magazine. So what magazine unlock does, it shows different images on the lock screen each time the screen is turned on. Images will be updated over Wi-Fi. This feature requires storage, blah, 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 blah. Yeah, but magazine unlock, it changes the wallpaper on the lock screen. So let me just give you all a look. Okay guys, so this is magazine unlock. So that's the wallpaper on the lock screen, and each time I press the power button it changes. However, if you don't want this to be on, if you don't want magazine unlock to be on and you just want one wallpaper on the lock screen, all you have to do is just disable magazine unlock. So just go to magazine unlock and just simply turn it off, and you will have one image on the lock screen. It will no longer change. As you can see, it doesn't change anymore. So yeah guys, let me see, I think that's about it for the video. Yep. Let me just put ribbon back. This is my favorite theme guys. So yeah, that's it for the video. Be sure to give the video a thumbs up, share the video. It's your boy the Android Doctor, and I'm out. See you in the next one. Let me know what your favorite theme is guys. Deuces.